It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. It's Miss JENITA coming in here cold. Got my hat on, got my sweatshirt on, trying to stay warm. Well, what am I back here for today? Well, first of all, I want to apologize for not being able to comment on some of you all's videos. As you might know by now, if you checked out any video that I just put up lately, explaining what the problem is. I am being I don't know, YouTube had a thing up there saying I guess they think I'm spam or something, but I don't know. Susha said that it might be because of my repeated comment that I share, because I have 3 channels, and to keep up I just copy paste what I'm saying, the same thing to everybody, and it's heartfelt, but it just saves time. Copy paste. Because can you imagine if I had to write all that stuff to express compliments and thanks people, greet people? That will take a lot of time, so that's why I just copy paste. And then Susha was saying that maybe it's because of the repetitive comment, but I've been doing this for a while, so I don't think it was that per se, because I've been doing it for so long. But maybe, I don't know. So now I might just use an emoji and I just say thank you. I wonder if that'd be too much. But it's just short and sweet and simple, and get on, or just give a heart and whatever that other thing, a thumbs up and a heart. And I'll just have to do that. No more talking, because if it's going to create a problem, I don't have time for problems. And I want to make sure my subscribers know that I acknowledge them and I appreciate them. So now I might just say thank you and give you a thumbs up or heart or something like that. I'm just letting you guys know in advance, so that YouTube won't think I'm spam. And yeah, so today's video is about a haul that my husband did. He went prepper crazy and got all this oil from Kroger. They had a sale on a gallon bottle Kroger pure vegetable oil, and they were $8 and some change. So my husband, he got quite a few of them, and I'm going to share that with you guys. His first major prepper haul. The guy went crazy in there. I don't blame him, because he likes to fry chicken and fish. He likes to fry a lot. Maybe once a week, once or twice. I'll say the most once a week, because if it's not on Friday, it's a Saturday. And person doing most cooking is me, and his dishes, I don't know. But anyway, he just did a major oil haul, and I'm gonna share and let you guys see from Kroger. The sale is over, but I didn't make a video of it, but I did share with you guys in a previous video. For those of you that watched, thank you very much, where I shared me grinding up some steak to turn into ground beef. I also grind up my chicken and turned it into a whole bunch of 1-pound packages of ground chicken, and I saved some for some cube chicken. So I did cube chicken that I'll use when I make my, like today I'm making me a fresh chicken salad. I'm gonna eat with a couple of crackers. And then I had a whole bunch of ground chicken, so that could be used for meatloaf, tacos, enchiladas, or I don't know, chicken patties, chicken burgers, all kinds of stuff. I just love my KitchenAid meat grinder. You just attach it to your KitchenAid mixer, and you have a meat grinder. I love it. It works perfectly. You can grind up, they say, vegetables. Excuse me, I'm choking. You can grind up vegetables as well as meat. You could do cheese, all whatever you can imagine that you can put in there that'll grind up and suit your purpose. And I love it. I really, really do. This hat is so warm. I made this hat with my loomer and the little flowers. I've gotten a little better with the flowers. There's so much stuff to craft, you guys. I'm doing a lot of that on my crafting channel. You guys haven't checked it out, please go check it out. Hopefully I don't, back to that subject I was talking about in the beginning, where YouTube is put up this sign where I couldn't even comment because they saying I was spamming or whatever, scamming, whatever. And that's not true, because y'all know I got awesome positive comments. I don't leave terrible comments on other people's channel. Now, if you come over here insulting me and saying crazy stuff, I will have some words on my channel to tell you to cut it out and don't come back. But going to somebody else's channel and saying horrible things, not me, not Miss JENITA. But anyway, what I was saying that for? Dang, it just went right out of my head. Now I forgot what I was trying to tell y'all. Ignore all that stuff behind me because I'm still working on it. But anyway, whatever I was about to say, I done forgot now, y'all. Happens a lot. But what else? I done lost my whole total track of mind for bringing something up. But anyway, let me turn around and show y'all this dang oil that my husband prepped. His first major pepper haul, getting all this dang oil. But I hope that, today I'll be able to come through and holler at you guys and leave not like previously. I guess I just have to, like I say, emoji, say thank you, appreciate you, because there's just so much going on. Oh, and I probably forgot to mention, but also YouTube is, did I say it in this? I don't know if I said in this video, but they getting ready to pay folks for their short videos starting next year, January, February. So y'all prepare for that. But you got to have 1,000 subscribers. I try on my other channels. It's not as easy as it used to be. Well, I don't have all that energy like I used to have, trying to collect folks to come and watch a video. You just got to be entertaining. Folks like to be entertained. I like to be entertained myself. And if you ain't entertaining, you can forget it. Okay, guys, this is the oil. It's more of them, but this is all I got set up here because this mess is kind of heavy. It's gallon bottles of Kroger pure vegetable oil. It was $8 and some change. My husband got them for. And like I say, he liked the fried chicken and fish and stuff, pork chops, whatever. And so he got his oil because if you guys, any of you know, the price of oil has gone up. That 48-ounce bottle that I used to love collecting from Walmart used to be $2 and something. Now they want $4, $5, $6, some stores $8, $9, $10 for a 48-ounce bottle of oil. Now they have made a 30-ounce bottle, and they have lost their mind. I do not wish to pay $5 for a 48-ounce bottle of oil. Now, some of you guys thought I was crazy when I had that stockpile of those bottles of Western oil, which is gone, by the way. My husband used every single bottle of that oil is up. Now he has these. I hope this lasts him for quite some time because I have really cut back on fried foods. I'm rarely eating them now because I got to watch what I put on my diet. But hopefully this lasts him for a while because there's no more 48-ounce bottles over here. a whole lot of everything else, but no more cooking oil, because Miss JENITA cannot afford $5, $6, $7 of one bottle of oil. That's crazy. And then I seen in the new ad, because Wednesdays the new ads start for out here in California. Ads change, and the new ad is Wednesday. And I seen this grocery store, they had bacon, FUD, Fudd bacon. They want thick slice. They want, for the 16-ounce package, they wanted $7.99. I had to scratch my hair out my head. I said, who the hell finna pay somebody $8 for a pound of bacon? And it ain't even, well, that ain't considered brand name like Farmer John and the others, because Fudd, I don't know about Fudd, but I wasn't too particular about loading my basket up with no Fudd products. No disrespect to Fudd, but $8 for some bacon? Get out of here. I would never pay $8 for a pound of bacon. I wouldn't be eating bacon anymore, just like I won't be buying a $5 bottle of cooking oil. Now this right here is what, hold up. Oh, shit. Now this right here, I got about 3 of these from Sam's Club. This is what I had got because the oil's so dang high. So I just picked up this, and this right here was unavailable at Sam's. Like I say, Sam's have been running out of food for quite some time now. Not probably running out of food, but it's, I can't say they're running. I can say it's unavailable, constantly being unavailable. And then they put limits. Then they saying when you want to have it shipped to your home, the price is different from if you bought it from in the store. But that's where I scratch my head again, because I'm already paying to get free shipping. So why am I paying you extra more money just because I want you to ship it to my house? It's ridiculous. They can't explain it. It ain't making sense. So hey, that's just odd. It's just strange and odd how they have that arranged. But anyway, just wanted to come through and share with you guys my husband's prepper. His first major prepper haul, some cooking oil from Kroger. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I got to go. I know a lot of you guys are busy. I'm busy. And Miss JENITA about to let y'all go, please. Y'all just stay in survival mode. Thank you for supporting, and I'll be talking to y'all later and come back through with another video. But enjoy your day. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. And I'm busy. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.